getting up close to elephants here in the Okavango Delta in Botswana. In the newest episodes of Equitrekking's Emmy-winning TV series, we're headed to Africa. Get ready to meet new local friends.
Hello, that's enough.
Big African fish.
Bye-bye, scorpion.
And enjoy a little time away from modern technology.
It's so hard to turn off today in this modern world, and I've been able to do that on this trip.
We're exploring colorful villages, ancient cultures, and wildlife on safari in Botswana, Africa.
Well, it's totally exploring. You know, we don't know where the game is. We can ride to an island and find 5 buffalo. We can go on to the next island and find 500 buffalo.
Join us on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure with Equitrekking.